What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Steven here, your honest trading coach. And as you can see on the screen, never again trade in fear. And what I'm going to talk to you about today is 10 videos, 10 video topics that if you have not seen a video and applied these topics to your own trading, then you should be trading in fear right now. You should be terrified when you press the buy and sell button with real money, because this is the correct order of things that you have to learn if you ever expect to have a successful trading career. So let's talk about the 10 topics you must see right now. First off, what is Forex? And let's take a logical approach to this. Do you think you could be a profitable trader if you didn't understand the Forex market? If you didn't know what a pip is, what a currency pair is, why and how these markets move? There's no way for you to be profitable without having that knowledge. Second, actually, before we dive into number 2, if you decide to stick with me until the end of this video, which will be very short, then what I've done is put together a free resource for you that will go through the topics of each and every one of these videos. It'll go through each and every one of these videos that you need in the correct order to help you get on the right track. If you're either a beginner or someone that's struggling in their trading right now, that free resource is going to be given to you at the end of this video. So stick around for that. And you won't even have to leave YouTube. It's actually just a playlist over on our channel. The link's in the description, and we'll talk more about it at the end. But let's stick to our logical approach. I'm going to ask you this question. I want you to answer it honestly. Do you think someone could be, you or anyone else aspiring to be a professional trader, would reach that goal if they didn't understand how to read a candlestick chart? I don't think so. I don't think there's a way that anyone could be a profitable trader if they didn't understand that. Third, sticking to the logical approach. If you did not, or anyone aspiring to be a professional trader did not know how to read trend properly, or how to identify powerful levels of structure, support, and resistance, could they be profitable? Hopefully your answer was no, because I don't think so. If they did not, anyone did not have a proper way to set a stop loss, do you think that would be a pretty big problem in their trading? Yes, this is why it's so important for you to dive deep into each of these topics. Make sure you've watched, and not only watched, but applied them to your trading. Fifth, you have to have the correct process to becoming profitable. Otherwise, you'll take steps backwards, end up extremely confused, and just quit out of frustration. So you need to know that full process. Anyone without that full process, do you think they're going to be professional traders one day? No, not like you. If you pay attention here in this video and you go through and watch all of these, your likelihood of success will go up dramatically. The sixth thing that a trader cannot be profitable without, and let me ask you this question, let's stay logical. If you don't backtest a strategy, which means you don't understand the performance of that strategy, what it's likely to be, you don't understand what kind of risk management plan you need to have with this strategy, you've never studied what it's done in historical data, if you don't know how to backtest, it's going to be very difficult to have a profitable trading career. Seventh, you need a strategy to backtest, right? So if someone doesn't have a strategy, let me keep it logical like I've been saying this whole video. If someone does not have a strategy, I want you to answer this for me in your head, or either leave a comment. If they don't have a strategy, can they become a profitable trader? If they don't have a strategy that gives a statistic edge over the market, that makes money over time, do you think they could be profitable? No, right? If they don't have proper risk management and trading psychology, are you betting on them to be the next profitable trader? Probably not. If they don't have proper money management and know how to correctly compound their position sizing in order to gain more year after year on their account, they don't know that, are they going to be the best trader? Are they going to be able to conquer trading in general and be profitable on the other end? It's not likely. And finally, 10th, in order to trade, you must know how to place a trade. So these are 10 video topics, 10 videos you have to know. You have to watch and you have to apply to your trading in order to reach your trading goals. This is applicable whether you are a beginner, intermediate. If you're advanced but still not profiting, it's because you're missing one of these. You probably haven't seen, or you do not apply correctly, a topic that is listed here. As I said, I got you guys a free resource. It's going to be linked in the description below. It's actually a full playlist that goes through each of these videos and each of these topics in order, step by step for you. It's not like a full training course, but it's a great way to get your feet wet into the proper way of becoming a consistently profitable trader for anyone who's new or struggling. If you'd like to get your hands on that, it's in the description below. It's still here on YouTube. You don't even have to go to a different website. It's just going to take you to that playlist. What you're going to see is this. The first video will answer the question of what is Forex, if that's something you're struggling with or something you don't know about. The second video we have teaches you how to understand candlestick charts and what each of those little candlesticks means. The third video is going to teach you all about trend and structure support and resistance levels that actually matter. The fourth video is how to properly set a stop loss using the average true range or ATR indicator. The fifth lesson is what I've learned after a decade of trading is the best process to go from a struggling trader to becoming consistently profitable. This video would be the one on the topic of the process of becoming profitable, right? The sixth video we have talks about backtesting and teaches you the proper way of performing a backtest on any specific strategy. The seventh is a full strategy that I still use to this day on a daily basis and tackles the topic of having a trading strategy that's proven to give an edge over the market and proven to make money over time. Eighth, we take a look at risk management and how big of a role that plays on your trading psychology, and some tips, hints, and tricks to using a proper risk management plan that keeps your emotions at bay when you're trading the strategy you've developed or learned from a video like this. The next video you see is a video that talks all about the formulas needed in order to calculate the proper money management for your specific trading strategy. And last but not least, I have a video teaching you how to open a brokerage and place a trade on TradingView. So if any of those are things you're struggling with, or if you have not seen a video on these topics, or if you've just not applied a video on any of these topics, then please, as quickly as possible, watch a video on these 10 topics. That way, instead of having fear every time you place a trade, you'll actually have the ingredients to create a profitable trading career. And I'm sure there are plenty of other really good trading educators that have videos on these topics. And if you have a favorite and you want to learn from them, then just be sure to search this topic in this order that you see on the screen on their trading, on their channel, or on their homepage, wherever you find videos at from them. But I have already created a full playlist. If you want to skip the trying to search around on YouTube thing and you want to check out the full playlist that is in order correctly as you see on the screen, then please head over to this playlist and take care of that, because these are going to be the essential beginning steps to you ever having a profitable trading career. And now you're a part of the Trading Channel family. I want you to have a profitable trading career. I want to help you in any way that I can. And this was one of the best ways I thought I could help new or struggling traders get on the right track. So head over here and start with whatever video is applicable to you. If you already know what Forex is, you can start later on down the course. If you know all the way down to how to spot important levels of structure and structure support and resistance, and you know how to read trend, skip down to whichever video is most applicable to where you are right now. With that said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Again, it is linked in the description, or you can just head over to the Trading Channel. Our channel should be right below the video to the left. Click that and go to our very first playlist. It's gonna say new to Forex ? Start here. And that is the playlist you're looking at on the screen now. Check that out. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys next time.